how to create a professional video on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Vimeo. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and go down to here on create a video. And after you click on create a video, now all what you have to do on this page is so simple. Just choose a template from here. As you can see, for example, I'm gonna choose this one, click on it and click customize. And after you click customize, now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will be able to edit the text and everything from here, as you can see. Let's see, for example, how to media and click done, and as you can see it's changed it successfully. After you finish editing your video, all what you have to do is go to the top here and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.